All my stuff's here. There it is. We'll do review soon. Good morning, you guys. It is, what day is it? It is June 24th, 2021. I've just spent the morning watching a little YouTube, catching up. I feel very old school Laura from a few years ago of YouTube, wearing my fave hat, actually second edition of my fave hat. Not as good as the first one, but here we are. All right, here we are. I have a couple packages. Sorry if that was really loud. I have a couple packages from Amazon Prime Day. I ordered a few things. We're gonna kind of go through it. I'm gonna show you what I got. Let's do it. Had to get the handy dandy scissors. I'm being really weird today. Okay, so the first thing I actually ordered was the Iris USA 6-quart, I believe it is, 6-quart little organizing bins. They come with lids. Here is said picture of them. I have this plan to reorganize my green closets. If you guys remember those green closets, there's not really much in them right now. I just kind of shoved like random things in them. So yeah, that's a plan. That's probably gonna be a video this upcoming school year. So subscribe so you don't miss that video if you're into organizing. Haha. Okay. Interesting, very interesting. The next thing I ordered was sticky notes. Now I thought these were gonna be the full-size sticky notes, and now I understand why they were the price that they were. They are tiny. They're like the little like quarter-size ones, half-size ones. But that's okay, I'll still use those. Sometimes I use like full sticky notes for like one sentence, so like it's kind of a waste. So I'll use them, but definitely still have to order sticky notes, I guess. Maybe I'll add them onto my Amazon wish list. And then obviously those sticky notes will be able to go inside of my Iris bins. Another thing I bought were these magnets. Let's see. You guys know they're like little magnets, and then they come with the clips. Let's see if it's gonna focus. There they are. This whole school year I haven't had magnets for my board, and so like I've had to use like makeshift magnets. Yeah, now I have some magnets. Very exciting. The next thing is kind of a thing for me. You guys can see there, it is a little desk organizer. Very exciting. Let me try to open this. All right, so looks like I have to put it together. Here's a picture of what it should look like when it's done, but I'll put this together later in the summer and I'll show you guys what it looks like. So again, subscribe so you don't miss that. The next thing I got is actually not here as well. They are little mini erasers. At the end of the last school year, I got a Donor's Choose project where I got donated a bunch of whiteboards, and I didn't have any erasers to go with them. So I bought some erasers to go with them. Yes, they are pink. I didn't want them to be pink, but they were $2 cheaper, so might as well buy the cheaper ones. And in years past, a little pro tip if you're trying to save some money, using felt. I went to Walmart in my first year of teaching and I bought felt pieces that were like, I don't know, 10 cents. I cut them up into 4 pieces and I use those. Now the thing with those is you do have to replace them quite often or else they start to smell. The next thing kind of goes along with erasers. It is a whiteboard for myself. Now I plan on being able to actually teach small groups this year, which is very exciting. Ooh, that was sketchy. Guys, don't do this at home. So my plan is to have my small group table somewhere, and I want to be able to have a little whiteboard to obviously show them how to do certain problems and whatnot, or if I need to like model something. but I don't really like those like giant ones that are like the easels. It's just too much. I do have one in my classroom right now, but it's just so big and like it doesn't erase well. So I bought this little one and it like folds open. So it's like a little like, I don't know, upside down V, I don't know. And it comes with a little eraser or marker holder. It comes with a few markers. These probably aren't the best quality, but it does come with them. Comes with a little eraser. Hey, and some magnets. So definitely looking forward to using this in my classroom. I'll let you guys know the quality and whatnot once I start using it next year. Probably not going to open it until I get to my classroom, to be very honest. The next two things I bought together, and these are kind of like the last things, they kind of go together. So I bought sticky clips. Let's see if it'll focus. There we go. I bought sticky clips, and that is to hold up, drum roll please. I bought fake like foliage for my classroom. Very exciting. Not sure where I'm gonna put them, so stay tuned during classroom setup / redecorating, because my classroom is kind of already set up. I just have to redecorate things and move things around. But anywho, yeah, stay tuned to see where I hang those. Looking forward to it. They look very cute and they look like they're real, so that's good. So that is gonna be it for my Prime Day haul for my classroom. That is what I bought. I'm planning on doing a few more hauls throughout the summer, so stay tuned for those. If you enjoyed seeing what I got for my classroom, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys ended up buying on Prime Day. If you bought anything, if you're not buying anything, totally cool if you're not. Be curious to see what kind of deals I missed out on. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!